Now on page 7, we're going to kind of do the opposite of what we just did in the statements of comparison. So in the statements of comparison, we were given a statement that we had to define a variable and represent what the statement indicated in terms of comparison. So right here we have an expression where in number 2 we have an equation, but in number 1 we just have an expression. So we want to first figure out what is being told to us. So let's assume that there are 2 types of candle making kits that you can sell for a fundraiser. So A is represented by profit in dollars of the scented candle kit, and then B is the unscented candle kit's profit in dollars, is what B is representing. So we have our units of measurement, is dollars. We know it's defined as either the scented candle kits that are being sold or the unscented candle kits that are being sold, but we're really talking about its profit. Okay, not the kits themselves, but the profit from those kits. So B minus A, the statement that would simply be made from this is the profit from candle profit in dollars from candle, or from the unscented candle kit minus the profit in dollars, I'm going to use the dollar sign this time, in dollars from the scented candle kit. So these statements are going to be a little bit longer because we have to include all the defined variable here, because the defined variable is the profit of the scented kit in dollars and the profit of the unscented candle kit in dollars as well.